us for now with all these details. Now viewers, Three Idiots actor Omi Vaidya has voiced concern over climate activist and educator Sonam Wangchuk's ongoing hunger strike. In a video shared on social media, Vaidya, who played Chatur Ramalingam in the film, reminded viewers that the character Phunsukh Wangdu was inspired by Wangchuk's real-life work. He expressed worry over Wangchuk's deteriorating health, saying his blood sugar has dropped significantly during the protest. Wangchuk is currently on an indefinite hunger strike at Delhi's Jantar Mantar and has reportedly completed 17 days of fasting, losing around 8 kilograms. Arzu is also joining us on this. Arzu, more and more people are now coming out in support of Sonam Wangchuk. But has the government made any assurances to the activist?
Well, wait continues as the hunger strikes is still going on, and in fact, Sonam Wangchuk also waiting for the government to have a dialogue with him. And as of now, what we can see is the support that is coming in, from across the world, across India, where people are posting the videos and the statement in support of Sonam Wangchuk and asking him to now stop his hunger strike. As now just stop, pause and take a look at what's going on right now. A Three Idiot actor Omi Vaidya drawing attention to the deteriorating health of the activist Sonam Wangchuk, who has been on a hunger strike since June 28. And so if you have a second to just stop, put down your work from the project that needs to be completed or the household duties or whatever, just take a look at what is going on. I do not want Phunsukh Wangdu to die, he said, and in fact he said that I would like him to live, and we are just regular people and we have regular life and we are just so busy to deal with this stuff. But if you look into these issues, you may have agreed to him and you may see you have the same issue, he said. So Wangchuk, who inspired Aamir Khan's Three Idiots character, has been on an indefinite hunger strike at Delhi's Jantar Mantar after joining Cockroach Janata Party protests, demanding Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation over alleged paper leak in NEET examination on June 28th. Yes.
Arzu, thank you for joining us, and viewers, that's the latest coming in. For now, we wrap up. Stay tuned to NewsX.